Okay, guys, I'm looking at Bitcoin for the surge. Currently got one running on the DAX. That's just coming into play kind of now. So it's moving down. It is kind of F. It's currently 248, so it's now starting to run. Get a 5 or something out of that. Quite happy. That'll sort that out. And then I'm just looking at this one as well. And it's exactly the same as what I always do. Now, just put them across there. Work that out. Everything's good. 2 that I'm looking at. Happy days. Right, that's coming into play now. So just drop a sell on there. Okay. Now what that'll do is that'll trigger up. And the idea is just to get it under here. I don't need a lot for this. This is the account that I kind of watched Wayne say he's putting 50 quid in an account. So I did the same, see what would happen. And that's the result so far. Not lost a day. It's over 2% on each day. I've already achieved that. I just need to add a little bit extra to it. We'll just see. Because there you are. I've done 266 already this morning. Show you. There it is there. 266. Because I was having a bit of a late night last night after you lot. So my day's already done this morning, so I only really want a couple of quid. Maybe just do £1 or something. It's overstretched, so I'll just change that. And what I'm doing is I'm waiting for it to come to me. Bang! Straight through on the surge. DAX is about to go into target as we speak, because I'm only going to do the first level of that. And then I'm quite happy with that. And that's a few extra quid in the pot on the prop, because that should be ready to cash out today. Let me just kind of log in. Is that going to cash out? So we'll just keep half an eye on that while we're looking. Almost. Be tomorrow. So what we're doing is I'm looking to get the profit up a little bit higher. Withdraw. Account was out 13 days ago. So it's tomorrow. Tomorrow I can cash that out. Okay. So that's what I'll do with that. Then that'll be another couple £100 in the pot for me. Right. That one's triggered in. So I'm quite happy with that. DAX is cashed out. So I'm happy with that. Look to do maybe 10 or 20 quid a day on that. 100 quid a week. All adds up. This is running in. There's my quid target. Very easy target on this one. Drop it into 5 minutes so you can have a quick look at it. Bish bash bosh. What should we do? Might be in for 2 quid, couple of quid, bottom of there. That's what we're interested in. Hokey cokey. Right. What was I doing? Oh, that was right there. Just watching this play out. Okay. Both F trades this morning, so we'll be a little bit careful with them. F trades can be a bit of a nightmare, so you want to be in and out relatively quick. Come on, down you go. Just do the job for data. All right. Might be tinker around and playing a little bit. Oh, there we go. Starting to show a little bit of signs now. It's currently 7:15. And it should just pop. Don't need a lot. Okay, while that's having a bit to think, let me just kind of show you something about these things as well. If you're running these, all right, I've got 85 quid's worth of profit in this. Now at the end of the week, hopefully I'll have 100 quid of profit. I'll just take it out and I'll just start again. It's another 100 quid in the pot. It's all about banking money all the time. And if you bank it, it's real. If it just sits in the account, fucking pointless. All right? And that's all I do all day, every day. I get the money in, I bank it, and that's it. It's mine. Come on, down you go. Down you go. I mean, this, I've already achieved what I need to do. It's 266. What shall I do? Come on, down you go. Down you go. A couple of quid. Give Dada a couple of quid. Come on. Pound would do. Go on, do a pound. And why is that? Because it edges up all the time. And then I'll do another couple of quid and another couple of quid and then a tenner and a fiver and a 20 quid and all of it adds up. Yeah, it's bloody plain. All right, what I'll do is I'll just leave the camera running because I need to get the strengths and the news up for you guys. All right, I'll just let it play out. I'll keep half an eye on it. Okay, guys, it's starting to push down a little bit. Surges kind of come in. You had the initial drop, come up, willing to put an extra order in here and run down. Currently quarter weight, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust the target point to just a quid. Just like so. Makes life a little bit easier for me. Why? Because if this thing runs the other way, I'm fucked. And I'm not going to give away more than I've already achieved. So, come on. Down, you little swine, down. Down, ship, down. This is where it gets really annoying. And you're sitting there going, come on, just pop. Give it the pop. Do the quid. Just give us the money. Come on. Little arsehole. Bloody hell. Come on. Down, down, down. Now all the time I'm looking at this, I am keeping an eye on it. I'm looking at the change in values all the time. You know, a little bit of green. But what I'm always interested in is the anchor chart, the hourly. So if I just pop that back out, now it looks a bit different. Let me just take that flip off. Now it looks a bit different. Strong Bollinger. It is slowing down somewhat. It's breaking through. So even if it's just testing this level, it can still push into that quite easily. Plenty of room to come down here. It's been up and tested this particular candle. It's been up and it's rejected and come back down again. So therefore it could push further in, which is what we want. Now I'm not greedy on these things. I'm not greedy at all because I've got nowhere to go. If it runs, I've got a real problem. So I have to be really careful. So that's why I target effectively. I get in, I get out. And if it takes me 2 or 3 bites of the cherry to get to the end goal, I'm happy with that. I'm not going to try and swing at it. I'll just get in and I'll get out. And the best thing I can do is walk once I've achieved what I need to achieve. And then everything adds up. And it adds up quite well. Oh, come on. Down you go. drop it down into 15 minutes so you can kind of see it. And again, what we have here, you've got a strong drive down there. It's pushed up, failed, it's come back. It'll go back to where it came from, which is here. So I need to target in front of it just to be able to be safe. So that's what I'm doing. If we go out to the 4 hour, it's telling me the same scenario. It's flaring, it's pushing down. This is a worry because it's right at the bottom, and that's it. You know, hold on a second. Oh, it's cashed out. There we go. So 101, that's it complete. It's pushed down. So I'm in and out before 8 o'clock in the morning. Quite happy with that. All I need to do now is just update this. So it's 367 on the day. So that's complete. And that one's complete as well. So I'm happy with that. So that's both of my little surges done. This one I'll continue with later on in the day, and I'll also drop it over onto my wage. But I do all my little accounts on a morning to get it sorted. So we'll go to growth tracker. What did I say that was? 367. So on the day is now 367. That's it. All right. So it's chipping and chipping and chipping. And for all those that like to take the piss because it's small figures, I don't care. And why don't I care? Because I know it adds up. You know, it'll buy me prop funds, and it's bought me a holiday, and now it's working my way to buy an extra present for Joanne at Christmas, and I'm happy with that. You know, so I'll do 100 quid, and I'll buy her something. Simple as that, guys. This job is not difficult.